Hello dosto. In this video, we are diving into a concept of what is closure in JavaScript. Let's get started. Friends, a closure is formed when a function is defined within another function and has access to the outer function's variables, even after the outer function has finished executing. Let's understand with a simple example. In this example, outer function is defined, and within it, a variable named outer variable is declared and assigned the value hello. This variable is scoped to the outer function. Inside outer function, another function named inner function is defined. This function has access to the variables in its outer scope, including outer variable. The inner function simply logs the value of outer variable using console.log. Inner function is then returned from outer function. Since inner function is returned, it becomes accessible outside of outer function. The returned function is assigned to the variable closure. Now, closure holds a reference to the inner function. Finally, closure is called invoking the inner function. As a result, it logs the value of outer variable, which is hello. Closures are a powerful tool that can be used to encapsulate data and state. They can also be used to create private variables and methods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more JavaScript interview questions.